We had a 2015 Subaru and has a side marker light out. And so I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace that side marker bulb to save yourself some money. It's real easy. First thing I want to do is just unscrew these a little bit. They're actually not really screws, but there's this little tab that you pull out. There's two of them. And if you just unscrew it a little bit or move it, it'll pull loose. All right. And then you see this little plate here. This is just going to pry. I'm going to pry this plate more out here, just like that. Move that. And then you've got these two bolts right here you got to undo. So I'm just going to take those out real quick. So after removing this second one here, set them down. All you have to do to get this out is just give it a good quick pull, just like that. You see it was basically inside there and on these little tabs here, and as you can see them right here, and that's what lined up with that hole right there. And so these bulbs are just real easy. Just turn them. Mine is a marker bulb is out right there, and you'll read in instructions or documentation online that this is a W5W LED bulb, but in reality you really need to replace with the 168 bulb. So I've got a brand new 168 bulb that I'm just going to put in there. Now I will say a LED bulb has to go in one direction or the other, so I would recommend, if you could put an LED bulb in, then turn on your light and test that it works before you put this back together. Okay, so here I'm just going to show you, put that together, and then your other bulbs basically are right here. I'm not going to replace these today. Okay, I don't know what bulb that is for sure. And then you've got another bulb here. So that's where your bulbs are. They're really easy to get to. And then to put it back together, you're just going to do the reverse. You're just going to line those tabs up and then give it a push. Try that again, one-handed. Okay. So you're just going to line it up like that and give it a push. And you can feel it kind of snap in place, and this is lined up here properly. And then I'm just going to put the screw in, and that's how you do it. It's real simple. I'm just going to put these screws back in and put this back on. Again, these little tabs are real easy. All you got to do is push it through and then push the little fake screw looking thing in. Or you can put it in like this as well, like that, and then put the little thing in there. All right, so that's it. Light bulb replaced. Saved yourself some money.